Hi, I'm Payal, one of the members from Pots and Fun. We reached 1000 subscribers couple of weeks ago, and we cannot thank you all enough for showing us so much of love and support. Our journey would never have been possible without you all, so we thought of dedicating a part of this video to share a glimpse of our journey so far. Staying out of hometown for a prolonged time made us feel the necessity of the comfort food, the food that we loved as a child or those which we relished along our way. Be it a simple aloo chop or a devil from a cabin, or be it the gorgeous fuchka from our favorite seller, we simply cannot but develop the love for cooking, but yeah, with lots of fun. Starting was never easy. We were not having a proper kitchen setup and had to start experimenting with a handful of resources. Being a full-time software professionals, time was always a constraint. We are basically a two-member team. Starting from listing out recipes, sketching the required shots and editing indeed took ample time to be implemented. We were always fascinated with the quirky ways of cooking, but trust us, it took enough of our memory space to accommodate hundreds of shots till we felt them eligible. Undoubtedly, our mothers always gave their invaluable suggestions. But we are also quite a fan of Taste Made series for their splendid video concepts, Alpana Habib's cooking show for her unconventional cooking methods, and also Bong when it comes to Calcutta foods. Considering this special moment, we tried to prepare a dish from Bong. We felt nothing can be more overwhelming than the classic Calcutta mutton biryani. দিলে দেখা যাচ্ছে। keep showing your love and support. We have some exciting plans for our upcoming videos soon.